Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to archive and unarchive chats on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application, you go to the chat section, and then you choose who you wish to archive. You swipe right and then you click on the archive function. The archive function helps to temporarily hide chats until the notifications come up, but if you wish for them to stay archived even after the notifications are turned on, you click on the edit section, and then here you click on edit archive settings. You can choose to keep chats archived or you can leave them off. For you to unarchive the chat, you swipe right again on the particular chat you wish to unarchive, and then you click on unarchive. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.